Hey folks, you know what I learned through the years when you're struggling with a big heavy tire like on this Jeep? Okay, instead of lifting it up and breaking your back, roll it on your knees. I'm gonna roll it on my left knee and put it up and then put a lug nut on it. Watch this. You can see Peter sitting there watching. All right, I'm gonna grab it, place my knee right here. I'm gonna just actually roll it right up and over. Ready? And put a bolt in it, people. That'll be good enough for you to put the other 5 or the other 4. Right? Instead of lifting it up like this, people lift it up like this and they throw it on, and then you gotta arrange it. Just roll it. Put the weight on your knee, and all you gotta do is just turn it. That's my little trick. All right. What do you think? It was easy. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Ciao.